ase miaka 10 kaunti ya Kisii wananigo aborokia ba ECDE bale nekibako egokelia agayo mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Arati koralia kubalika bene gosegoso asensemo ya permanent okwananigo Arati nekebna inenchire yemo yogwikirania eira ase aerera gose asekerania gochia kubasira chinga kiabaga kwera unanigo bagwetera amakongu chinga kicho bokoleri bwabo Morikito Julie Kerubo na mange.
Namagoka monene gocha saborokia kurwe kaunti ya Kisii. Abukanya bono babere bagokora obokoreri bwabo asenchera ya konda. Asege ka kimyaka 10 abono barache kurikwa asenchera ya bene na serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii. Ase umugavana bene kirebuna chinga kiare koliga chikura na bairete ira yogo chakobarika ase enchera ya permanent buna aba Let me
take this opportunity to thank the ECDE teachers for the important work you are doing. Indeed, you are the ones who tasked to train the young children you receive at an early age through the basic of education and life skill. These are special and honorable responsibilities. On our part as a county government, we must therefore ensure that the welfare of ECDE teachers is a top priority. To promise, or the promise we made during the campaigns, underscoring ECDE as one area I am keen to see improved through equipping of our centers, the facilitation better remunerations of our teachers. Third, to know that ECDE teachers have been on contract for the last 10 years. And the previous administration did to improve the terms of service. I once again thank our teachers for remaining patient and sticking to the course. And congratulations for that.
Mugavana nigo atebabuna abalimu ba ECDE nigo bagokora emeremere makongu na indemia Wachia asaborokiwa asabonateba eserikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nere tayari kugendera kubasira.
To consider having ECDE teachers observed in permanent terms in a clear demonstration that as county government we are committed to offer quality education to the young learners as to give them a solid foundation for their future well-being. We have a population close to 70,000 ECDE learners admitted in 703 centers across the county with over 900 teachers. On average, we have annually allocated around 600 million to the Department of Education to facilitate ECDE program including salaries for administration staff, teachers, materials and infrastructure development. We have already embarked on the construction of more ECDE classrooms throughout the county in our bid to establish modernized centers. And I want to repeat, this is important.
Asa chinga kiecho nigo mugavana atebire buna serikali yae nigo yabekire chibesa chisaine ilio kunyara gosira amasomo ase ECDE.
Service board that now is in place. I'm happy that now the board is already in office and the first item on their entry is to expedite the review of engagement of our ECDE teachers for placement on favorable terms in permanent and pensionable employment.
Kukwana no mwenyakero gobwe semi ase county ya Kisii Victor Mwamba oyunere robotwerero obuya bw'abalimu ba ECDE.
The teachers will have to smile and smile away. But we want to support you, support His Excellency. We do things right so that in the fullness of time, everybody goes home happy, sleeps well without trouble. So we
Go reporter ya Ndizi TV, Ninche Julie Kerubo.